It's almost that time of year, and your company might be paying you a bonus. It's very common for English learners to say, I won a bonus, or my company won a large amount of profit last year. Grammatically, this is fine, but let's be careful, because you might not be transmitting exactly what you wanted. In English, you can win at a casino. You can win the lottery, and this is great, you get a lot of money. But it seems very lazy when you say it this way. I mean, congratulations, but there's no effort or skill to win all that money. When you do get your bonus this year, or your company gets profit, you want to use a word which transmits all of the hard work and effort you've invested to do that. Earn. When an English speaker uses that word, we understand your effort. Nobody just gave this money to you, and it makes your achievement sound more impressive. So, you might win a competition in a magazine, but you earn your salary. There's a lot of effort involved. Now there's one more word that is halfway in between, and this word is used to talk about things like stocks and shares. If they're your companies, well, the work you do, it's only one of many factors for stock price. If it's a stock that you're investing in, well, you might not make the decisions, but you are risking your own money. Gain. In these cases we say, my stocks gained 10 points last year. So if you're winning the lottery, earning your bonus, or gaining on your stocks, make sure that the English classes you buy don't just teach you the grammar, but also teach you the culture and how to use the language in your job and in your everyday life.